It's got a LULA.
No way. This is wild.
Ain't no way, bro.
That's wild.
One or two? Tiny.
One.
Can I see the buttons, please?
That's hilarious.
Can't really see anything through the gate.
Only in New York you see it.
I don't know what that is.
It's probably some local company. That's hilarious, though. Send it up to 2. Yeah. Hit the 2 button so we can watch it go up.